Ida, come here for a second.
Yes. Hi, baby. Did you have fun? Did you play tennis or no? You didn't play it. You just played your toy.
Ida,
Yeah.
I got something to drink for you. I got some pineapple juice for you.
Okay, stop. It's not
No, it's not. It's pineapple juice.
Oh, it sure looks yummy. Let me have some.
Can I have some? Can I have
Let me
some?
have some, honey.
But didn't you just say it's pee-pee?
No.
Oh, then why can't she have some?
Ida, no, have some. Ida, it's really good pineapple juice.
Nico.
No, she called it first.
Where?
I don't want this.
It's delicious pineapple juice.
Either way, I'm my own.
Can I please have some, Nico? What's going on? Share.
What is it?
No, open
Oh my gosh, he's gonna jump out. Okay.
Wait a minute. Okay, let's talk.
Oh my gosh.
I'm thirsty.
Okay.
Why won't you share with me? Oh, she really likes this drink.
Can I have some, Nico? Nico, can I have some?
What is it then, Nico?
Okay,
I'm from here.